Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate the complete operation process of this intelligent digital talk-through driver from function setting to actual bustling all in one step.
This digital talk-through driver comes with a set of templates, making it suitable for all kinds of working scenarios. Power on, press the middle key, C button briefly to counter on the device. To this template, 0.5 秒 indicates the measurement ring. Press the N button briefly to switch modes. There are 3 modes in total: peak mode, free mode, and flex mode. Then press the first button on the left to switch between the 4 units, N, P, N, M, LBN, in. Then press and hold the N button to access other functions. View data. It enables you to work normally even in low-light environments. Track, enter the real-time measurement mode. Short, press the M button to record the reading during measurement. Press the switch again to view the data. Enter preset mode. An audible beep will sound when the preset value is reached.